Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a drawing in Khan Academy Kids. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner and there you will find the library. Press on it and now all you need to do is just check out the create section. You can see that I'm already here and you can just scroll down here and pick a background here. You can see there are a lot of backgrounds, and after you have picked your background, now you can just draw. You can just pick the exact color and you can just draw anything here that you want. And once you're done with it, you can just press on the checkmark symbol and the drawing is going to be completed. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.